Honestly, when I tried on the dress, I was like, wow, I'm beautiful. That's how I felt. I was like, I look so good. Like, I'm gonna kill it this day. So when I got my dress, I wasn't feeling my best with my body, how I looked. And so when I put it on, I felt like nothing was wrong with me. I just felt really beautiful. I felt like I was the woman that I always wanted to be. It finally became that woman that you always think about when you're a little girl, you know, when you think of this moment. And I felt like, wow, I'm her. Like, this is gonna be the dress that, you know, my father gets to walk me down the aisle in. And that meant everything to me because I didn't think that I was gonna have that moment. That's how every bride wants to feel on their wedding day. Like, no doubts, you're just gonna walk down that aisle and shut it down. And that's how I felt. So.